Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Charles Schwab. This is ticker SCHW. Now, Schwab, like many other financial stocks, XLF, are looking really good here. We have a nice long uptrend and prices above all the key moving averages. And if you look at stocks like JP Morgan, this looks like it's ready to go. Now, some stocks like Schwab actually haven't broken out yet. They're still under some of the recent highs and just kind of sitting right on the 8-day and 21-day EMA. So I think that this is a good opportunity to get some Schwab before we get a real breakout coming in the financials. Now, if I zoom in here on the chart, again, we can see price is holding up above all their key moving averages. We have clear support down near the 50-day moving average. I'd say trade support is around $94. And what I want to see from Schwab is a move out of this clear downward sloping trend line coming on good volume. Now, we did get a move through that level today. Didn't really come on higher than average volume, but if we want some upside follow through, I think it's really easy to set an alert up here at 99 for a potential breakout. So you can get some started in and around these key moving averages, have a stop down here at around 94, and then size in on a move through 99.40 coming on good volume. So that's just one of many trade setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full focus list, click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.